Hi, my name's Daryl Grant from Wessex Demolition. I'm plant manager for Wessex. We have taken on this project down at Oil Spill Response, removing 4 number redundant tanks and the associated brickwork and concrete plinths around the outside supporting the tanks. We decided to approach Inmalo to basically check the specs against the SH130 Shear. We already run various amounts of the SH model shears through Wessex, the lowest being SH50, which we're very impressed with on the small kind of 8-ton range excavators. Obviously Inmalo come down, we had a little look, showed them the tanks. They've kind of recommended us the SH130 Shear, had good kind of high hopes of it, going in at the start. Decided to kind of go ahead with the order and put it to work, and can only say all positive outcome. There wasn't much else what would have been able to touch these tanks from a lower size machine at this stage, and access was an issue, so the SH130 was put to its test here, definitely come out with positive outcome.